Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping almost a century back in time to explore one of Buick's most iconic pre-war machines, the 1927 Buick Master Six. A luxury car built with power, prestige, and craftsmanship that still turns heads today. Let's dive into its exterior, interior, performance, and why this classic remains unforgettable. Exterior. The 1927 Buick Master Six was designed to stand out. Its long, elegant body lines and distinctive upright stance represented the height of American automotive luxury in the 1920s. Up front, you'll notice the nickel-plated radiator shell, a signature Buick look of the era. The tall, narrow headlights, the sweeping front fenders, and the wooden spoke wheels give this car its unmistakable vintage charm. The extended wheelbase adds a sense of sophistication, making the Master Six appear both powerful and graceful. Every curve, every trim piece, every handcrafted detail reflects the craftsmanship of the 1920s. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior built for comfort and class. The cabin features high-quality fabric upholstery, thick padded seats, and detailed wood trim across the dashboard and doors. The steering wheel is large and elegant, giving the driver full control of this big machine. Simple analog gauges display essentials like speed, fuel, and engine temperature, no screens, just pure mechanical beauty. Passengers enjoyed generous legroom, thanks to the long wheelbase. Everything inside was designed to make every ride feel like a luxury experience, even on rough roads. Performance. Cut to engine bay plus driving footage. Narrator. Under the hood of the 1927 Buick Master Six sits the heart of the machine, a 255 cubic inch inline six engine, producing around 75 horsepower. That may sound modest today, but in the 1920s, this was serious power. The engine was smooth, reliable, and known for its durability. Buick's overhead valve design gave it better breathing and stronger performance than many competitors. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the Master Six could reach top speeds of around 60 miles per hour, impressive for its time. The ride quality was enhanced by a robust suspension setup that softened rough, unpaved roads. This wasn't just a car, it was engineering excellence of the pre-war era. Conclusion. Final shots of the car driving away parked at sunset. Narrator. The 1927 Buick Master Six is more than just a vintage automobile, it's a piece of American history. With elegant styling, a beautifully crafted interior, and performance that set new standards in its day, this classic shows why Buick earned its reputation for quality and luxury. Nearly 100 years later, the Master Six continues to capture the hearts of collectors and vintage car lovers worldwide. If you enjoyed this walk through automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.